Here's a Bare Minerals Invisible Bronze. This is in the shade Fair to Light. And this Invisible Bronze is $7.99. Here's a NARS Audacious lipstick in Greta. And this is like a fuchsia color. And the price is $7.99. And then I saw another NARS highlighting blush powder. Well, Albatross. We've seen that. And here's the Japanese Ice Smudger brush. And this one's only $3.99. So I'm going to take this one. And this is one of my favorite brushes of all time. If you guys see this, you should buy it. It's the Japanese Luxe Powder. It's so huge and fluffy. And it's only $6.99. This is a really good deal. Okay, so what we have are some Buxom whipped lipsticks, and these are $5.99. Also these Kaja Choose Company for $4.99. Some kind of lip pencil thingy. But what brings me so much sadness is that I see the Born This Way, and all the ones that I'm seeing online are all like Fairest Fair or something, and all of these are medium nude, medium tan, and warm medium. So I'm going to check the Marsh to see if I can find this. This is $8.99. And there are still a bunch of the Tutti Frutti highlighting sticks. This is in Strawberry Sparkle. Here's a MAC Dazzle Glass in Prancin' Dancin'. And this one is $7.99. Very cute. I love seeing MAC here. TJ Maxx. So I found some more MAC Dazzle Glass. This is in Jingle Jingle. This is a Bobbi Brown Nourishing Lip Cream in Claret. And the price of this one is $9.99. And I found this Bobbi Brown. It says Pretty Powerful. And it is a pot rouge for lips and cheeks. So this is a pot rouge for lips and cheeks, $14.99. It's a cream. And that is the outside of it. This seems to be a new product here too. And of course I found this one, it Cosmetics Confidence in a Compact. This one's in light. I found this in Fair a few days ago. Really liking it. This one's in $19.99. I just found this. This is the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. I'm not familiar with this, but this is $9.99 and it has 0.5 of an ounce. So this is the Peter Thomas Roth Firm Peeling Gel. I've heard a lot of good stuff about this. I think I'm going to pick this up. It's $29.99, so I'm just going to check the price and make sure that it's, you know, somewhat of a decent deal before I buy it. Here's the Bossia Makeup Breakup Cool Cleansing Oil. This is $9.99. And this is Crop Beauty Antioxidant Facial Cream. This is $6.99. Okay, another Peter Thomas Roth. This is an Acne Face and Body Scrub. Expires $3.20 and it's $14.99. And they also have Time to Smooth Age Control Even Tone Sleeping Cream, and this is $24.99. Let's find this on clearance. This is the Perricone Firming Foam Mask. It was $24.99. It's marked down to $15. It foams on contact to energize and firm skin. Okay. This is like on clearance. I found it in clearance, but it's not. It's $39.99. It's Peter Thomas Roth Retinol Fusion PM Overnight Resurfacing Pads. There's 60 pads. And interesting, it doesn't really have a box to it.
I got plenty of water today.
Okay, I've done everything that a person could do here, and I'm going to head on over to Marshall's, see if I can find Born This Way in my shade of the Peter Thomas Roth Peeling Gel, the Bare Minerals Invisible Bronze, and Fair to Light, and the Japanesque Ice Smudger. Let's go to Marshall's.